Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to set up Shopify store in multiple locations. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, you're gonna do is head over to sales channel online store. Once you're on your themes, from there you are gonna be simply copying this, duplicating your store, and let's just say on different area the currency is different, or maybe the language is different. You can totally customize that. All you need to do is head over to your settings and add different markets. So here you can see we have market section, and from here we're going to choose on what store we want market. Let's just say we have something in United States, something in United Kingdom, or stuff like that. And if you want to incorporate different settings, you can also use different integrations for multiple stores, and that is going to be doing the job for you. So I hope this was informative, and if it was, consider liking the video and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.